we're back, and Becky's joined us, and she will be assisting as we fix the bird. Now, in the interim, we have stuffed the bird with the stuffing. We also have some extra stuffing that we put on there. And again, we did not use our stovetop friends, Riley. We love our stovetop friends usually. Love you, but Martha says no, so we don't use that. Okay. So next thing we have to do, we've had 4 sticks of butter, melted 4 sticks of butter. That's 2 cups.
Good healthy.
Good healthy stuff. Now we're going to take our wine and we're going to pour our wine.
Really healthy.
Into the butter. Now this is a fine Napa Valley Chardonnay. In order to, now notice what happened there. I did that for a purpose. Notice how there was a lot of splashing. In order to cut down the splashing, we use a drip dicky. Now the drip dicky goes around the bottle of wine. And
take the thing out. Just take the plastic. Take the thing out. Take the thing out.
All right. It goes around the bottle of wine like so. And this drip dicky was given to us by one of our sponsors, Drip Dicky Inc. And proud owners Cheryl and Kurt Novak, and they supply drip dickies for all your festive occasions. DripDicky.com. Okay, now we put the rest of the wine in. Notice how there's no spillage. And we put it in with our butter. And we mix it around just a little bit so the wine is intermixed with the butter. And now, Becky, we're going to baste our bird. So here we go. We'll put it on nice and thick, just like you're painting the garage walls. Some people would pour. I like to start with just a little bit of this on it first, and then we'll help pour it along.
No pouring. No.
Get it in there so everything is good and yummy. All the little crevices, we'll stick those back in after we get those. Get the leg. Sure. All different spots of our Butterball premium bird. Butterball, we never go without a Butterball premium bird on Thanksgiving or any other holiday in which we cook a turkey. Butterball is our turkey choice. All right, which we purchased at Meijer's. Everything for less at Meijer's. Again, all these people available for product placement next year weren't available this year. How's it looking back? And do you think we use this whole pan of stuff? No, we're just going to use it to the point of that. And I think we're almost ready with the outside of that one. Almost ready for the rub, I think. All right.
Turkey deserves a rub down.
Woo! Okay. Looking good. In the neighborhood. Now we got some rub. We're going to do 2 kinds of rub. We're going to do a French herb roasting rub and a savory herb roasting rub, courtesy of our friends at McCormick. When I go rubbing, I always rub with McCormick. So we're going to rub that into the turkey, get a little of that. Have the 2 rubs mix and mingle with each other.
Partay.
Woo! Some rubbing going on, the wine and the butter. There's a little party going on here. Not really sure how much rub that we use.
I think that's probably good. If it's not, nothing wrong with a little excess on Thanksgiving.
We're going to get these tucked, and then we're going to do our cheesecloth. We're going to get these tucked back in there again. Oh. Get in there. There we go.
Tuck. Tuck one.
Tuck, tuck, goose. All right, cheesecloth. Next. Get our scissors from our Martha Stewart collection of knives and forks. Martha couldn't be here with us, but we did buy those from Macy's last year. Another possible product placement. And we normally get a pan from Williams in Sonoma, but unfortunately they weren't able to provide a pan this year, so we're using a cheapie. But normally we don't cook in anything but our Williams and Sonoma pan. I think we're going to cut this about here. cheesecloth. Not the easiest thing to cut. Okay. Okay, now we're going to open it up. And we're going to dip it in what's left of our butter. Our butter and wine. And then we're going to put it on the turkey, like a little turkey wedding dress. Alrighty, so there we go. Alright. We're going to dip it, submerge it, get it all cloistered up. Ooh, and it's a buttery, frothy, wedding fit for a turkey. And we're going to spread it right over on top of it. Looks good. Alright. Just a little dosing party there. A little bit more there. And a little bit more there and there. Okay. Now, the bird is ready for submersion into our Maytag oven, courtesy of our friends at Sears. Alright. So we're gonna, the oven has been preheated at 450. We're gonna cook this bad boy for about 3 hours at 450. Always checking on it as we go, and then we'll take the cheesecloth off after that, and the last hour, and we'll cook it no dress. Oh, we're gonna put tin foil on it during this portion of the cooking. We're out of our Reynolds wrap. We usually use Reynolds wrap. We're using ultra foil aluminum. Courtesy of our friends at L&L. Fencing. We're gonna make it like a little tent, like the people outside of Best Buy that are tenting out tonight in hopes of Black Friday deals. All right, there we go. Yep. Ooh, that's good and hot. Okay, in the oven she goes, and off we go. And that's it for the next 3 hours.